Welcome. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it go. Feel yourself arriving here, not just physically, but fully. So let the body soften and let the mind be quiet. And let the breath become your anchor. So inhale again and exhale gently. Right now, there's no need to perform. No need to figure anything out. No need to be anything other than what you are. This is a space of remembering, a space of return, because sometimes pieces of us drift away, and tonight we begin the return journey. So now, in your imagination, begin to walk inward. Picture a gentle, dimly lit corridor. Soft, glowing lights line the path. This is the interior of your being, your inner archive. Each step takes you deeper into your own truth. And you come to a circular room. It's quiet, still, and waiting. This is the room of return, the room where lost pieces come home. Now place your hand over your heart. And say silently or aloud, if any part of me has been left behind, if any part of me was silenced, forgotten, pushed away, I call you home now. So just breathe. You don't have to name the parts. Now some may be from childhood, others from heartbreak. Some may be buried in shame, and others wrapped in silence. They may appear as colors, shapes, feelings, or even memories. So let them rise. You may see a younger version of yourself enter the room. Or a version of you who stopped speaking. or the one who hid their light. So just let them come. And when they arrive, just look at them. See their eyes. Feel their presence. And notice what they carry. You don't need to fix anything. Just open your arms and let them step into your heart. Welcome back, you whisper. They don't come to take over. They come to integrate, to make you whole again. So breathe in now and feel your center expand. You're not broken. You were just waiting for your pieces to return. And now they are. So let the inner room begin to fade. Gently, but feel what comes home. Feel what stays. You're fuller now. You begin walking slowly through the corridor. Each step feels more solid, more rooted. You return carrying no burdens, but wholeness instead. So feel your breath deepen. Feel the rise and fall of your chest. Feel the soft energy swirling in your heart. So inhale, hold it, and exhale slowly. And when you're ready, I'll count you back. So 3, you are whole. 2, you are complete. And 1, open your eyes now. Walk into your life with all of you, because you're finally here. Namaste.